Okay, stripping wallpaper. It's all different. Some of it's strippable, some of it's peelable, some of it hardly budges. This is difficult stuff to do. As you'll see here, if I try to peel this back, it hardly budges at all. And it's got like a vinyl coating on it. So you know that your wallpaper stripper isn't going to work because it can't soak through there. So what you do is you buy one of these babies. See, it's got these little blades on the bottom. They call it Paper Tiger or other things. You can get them any paint store, big box store. And you just roll it all over the place. You score it. Get holes all through it as much as you can. And that allows the wallpaper stripper to get behind that vinyl to the paper and the glue and work on it. But you also, the stripper has to work for like 15 minutes to a half an hour. So although I'm working way back here, I'm wetting this stuff way up here that I haven't got to yet. And I'm wetting it over and over and over with a roller. You can use a garden sprayer thing if you want to, but I've probably wet this area 15 times already while going back and working way over here. So it has time to work, so I'm not peeling off 10 square feet of paper and then waiting another half hour for the other to work. So once you get that part done, then this part, you see, will pull off and it leaves that backing behind, and then you wet it again and you keep wetting it till it gets like this area over here, and then you take a 6-inch knife. Don't try to use a putty knife or a 5-way or it'll gouge the hell out of your walls. So see, then if you keep this wet, then it's going to come off pretty darn easy. But if you don't do it like this, you're going to be struggling with this all day long. But if you do it right, it's fairly simple. You know, it takes time, but what doesn't? But you'll end up with decent walls. And then you have to wash the walls to make sure you get all the glue off. Because if you don't get the glue off these walls and you paint over it, it might look decent when it's painted over. But a year later, all that glue will start blistering up and you'll get some pretty nasty phone calls. Okay, that's it for this one. I hope it helped. If you have any questions, Paul at PAINTit.com, or just fill out one of the forms on our site. Okay, good luck.